parents are in trouble. We've got to get stuff out of their house right away.
Okay, I'll go right now. There's an urgent church matter. I have to go.
Be careful.
I will.
Mrs. Liang?
Lin, where are the books of God's words?
I don't know.
Find them, now.
Mrs. Liang, what happened?
Your parents have been arrested while sharing the gospel. We have to move all those books. The cops are coming. Find them.
I'll look for them right now.
Hurry.
Search everything.
Captain, I didn't find anything.
Nothing.
Nothing here.
Damn it.
There have been many brothers and sisters from nearby churches arrested these last few days. It seems to be a coordinated operation.
If that's the case, we should send out a notice right away. We need to get leaders and workers hidden and gatherings stopped for a bit.
Mm-hmm. Most important are the newcomers without a strong footing. If arrested, they'll be discouraged and leave the faith. Let's do some watering right away.
I can make some extra time for that.
That's
all
good.
right.
First, let's move these books of God's
Right.
words.
Okay. Sister, hi. It's
Come in, quick!
Careful with these books.
All right.
It's not safe here. Come with me right now. Hurry, get your things.